Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. Like the movie prop basically, and this is the theater mode icon. Once you find this icon, tap on it. It will redirect you to the theater mode settings, and here, as you can see, the mode is enabled now, but we can also scroll down and select the duration, and we have for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and 4 hours. Basically how it works is if you select, for example, for 3 hours, it will stay on for 3 hours and then it will turn off automatically. But you can also turn it off yourself by tapping on the switch if you like to. And what the theater mode does is basically it turns off every function that could interrupt you during the, for example, movie or theater play. So it will dim your screen, it will turn off the always on display, it will turn off rise wrist to wake, touch screen to wake, system sounds will be disabled, notification sounds will be disabled, anything that could be disturbing you basically. And like I said before, you can turn it off here if you want to, but you can also turn it off by opening the quick panel and tapping on the theater mode icon, and it will be turned off. And you can tell that the mode is enabled by the icon on the watch face. You have this icon. You can also see the icon in the quick panel, and the icon in the quick panel will be highlighted. It will get the white background, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you disable it, disable it, the icon will go back to gray color, this icon will disappear, and the icon from the watch face will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.